good morning, and welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and it's March break. It's the first day of March break, you guys. I'm super excited. That means I can get to sleep in and not have to wake up so early to get the kids ready for school. And yeah, so it's gonna be 1 week of, and I think there's going to be a public holiday next week as well. Next week, Monday. I don't know what the holiday is. My sister-in-law's kids are still around, so the house is still full. I want to make myself breakfast now. I'm super hungry. The whole kitchen is dirty. I just got downstairs actually, and the whole house is still in a mess. They've done what they can do, but to me, it's not perfect. So I'm not just doing no complaint. I'm trying to fix my tripod, you guys. Do you want to call grandma? Do you want to say hello to grandma? My baby got a phone. Oh my god, you guys. I feel so tired today. I'm actually not in the mood to do anything. And I want to bake um banana bread or banana cake, whichever one is called. I also want to juice because I have some fruits that in the fridge since last week. I intended juicing, but I haven't had the time. But I honestly do not feel like doing anything. And tomorrow I need to post a video on YouTube tomorrow for you guys. I haven't edited. I started editing last night, but I couldn't go far. So I have a bunch of things to do today, but I don't know. I'm not just in the mood. I feel like just chilling. And I think what is wrong with me is because I feel the house is dirty. Like the whole house needs to be clean, tidied up. And when I haven't done things that I have in my mind to do, it kind of slows me down. And you would think, oh, the ideal thing is okay, why not get up and clean the house? If I should start with cleaning of the house, it's gonna take my time, you guys, and I might not be able to achieve other things. So I feel I can always clean late things. So what I'm thinking of doing now is to clean. Cleaning should be the last thing I'll be doing before going to bed. Then, because I need the sunlight, even though I'm gonna be using some artificial lighting in the kitchen for the banana bread, I still need the sunlight, and also the kids are looking forward to have it as snacks for lunch or later in the evening as dessert. And what else? So yeah, I think I should first. So I feel I should first do my filming of recipe. I also have something else I have in mind. Even though the kids are requesting for what's it called? Fried rice, but I don't think I can make fried rice today. I'm not sure if I can make fried rice today. Probably tomorrow. This week is just gonna be a lot of creating content, especially cooking, baking, so that I have them in batch. I can always edit and post on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. For now, I don't know what's wrong with me. I actually forget posting on TikTok. I'm not really a TikTok person, but I'm trying to do so. And even though I have it on my to-do list, I'm supposed to check and know that I haven't done it. That's how I even get to know that, oh, I didn't post on TikTok. But the thing is, Mister also is part of the things, you guys. Assuming I have a maid, assuming I have someone helping out with our chores or cleaning right after I'm done cooking, then it helps a lot. That will go a long way. But in the middle of me working or me creating content, I might need Daniel's help. I mean, Daniel might need my attention, my help to feed, to change, and all of those things. So it's not really easy. It's I'm not complaining you guys, but I'm just telling you guys since just for you to know what's going on. I'm not complaining, but I just need you guys to know it's not easy. Oh, it's not easy. Giving birth abroad is not easy. I know people usually say you won't know how it feels. You know what it feels like until you're actually stepping into that shoe. Now I can boldly tell you guys that it's not. Don't even compare it with Nigeria at all, or anywhere you have your mom, your sister, or you can pay someone to do all those things for you. It's not, but we move, we do what we can do. I don't want to be complaining, I don't want to give excuses. So if you see anyone doing it, just hail them because they're doing a lot of work. Of course, it's different from those. You can't compare content creators in Nigeria or any other African country. I believe most African countries still get like they get that support. They have that support system. You can compare content creators here with content creators back in Africa. No way. Because what? You see their house always clean, everything being done. Because that's someone helping them. They have living nannies and all of those supports. So, anyways, I'm actually hoping that this week, since since no school runs, I'll be able to like vlog every day and have backlog of vlogs so that I can be editing. Sometimes it might actually look um repetitive or boring to you guys. If Daniel, how do we put off your phone? Can you put off your phone, please? Can you put off your phone? It's not even listening to me. Like, what are you saying? I'm sure you guys can see it in my face that I'm tired. Anyways, I was gonna say something I forgot. But it boils down to yeah, I was trying to say that it might be very, very repetitive since I'm not going out, nothing different. But then during pandemic, I understand that so many people vlogged and they weren't going out. So how are people enjoying it? I'll just do what I can do. Yeah, because this girl has made up her mind that no going back this time around. So we're gonna stay at it, do our best, try and improve in everything we're doing. So I'll keep vlogging every day, even though it's same thing. But at least maybe our outfits will be different. Even though it's same thing, some things will be different. We might have different meals to prepare that day. So you guys should enjoy our vlogs. Enjoy our vlogs. I can't wait to start going out a lot. And that might be like 1 year time. Happy when Daniel starts daycare. We're gonna throw a party.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little.
And welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. So it's the second day of March break, and I just got up not quite long, as you guys can see. Brushed my teeth, showered, and thought I was gonna dress up and go make my banana cake or whatever it is I want to do in the kitchen today. So I decided that I'm going to spend my day in the kitchen trying to cook and create content for the week. And so yeah, good thing is yesterday I was able to achieve editing. So I edited the video that I'll be going out today. Today is Tuesday, by the way. So the video that I'll be going out today has been edited, ready for you guys. I'm super excited about that. So the time do really go fast, you guys. So I couldn't make the banana bread anymore yesterday because I needed to attend my class. I did make mention of that in maybe last two vlogs, if I can remember. And I'm taking some classes. I take classes on Monday. I take website class on Mondays, so I'll be able to build my own website for my business.